Okay, welcome back again. Now in the last lesson we created some basic navigation. So at this stage we've pretty much got all the elements we need for a web page. But of course you might have noticed our web page looks a bit boring. Not a lot of style going on. So in this lesson we're going to look at linking a style sheet to our web page. So we'll jump back into VS Code. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is to create a style sheet. So you may remember when we built our folder structure, we actually created a folder called CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So that's where we're going to put our file. So if we click on that folder and we go right click, we go new file, and we're going to call this one test_style. Remember, all lowercase and no spaces. .css. Okay, hit enter on that. Right, so this file is going to serve as our style sheet. So the first thing we're going to look at is just putting in a basic style so we know that our page will work or has successfully linked to the style sheet. So we will, just for a test, we will put in the body element. And a squiggly bracket, opening and closing. Take another line so it stacks it out a bit more evenly. And then we're going to apply the style attribute of background color. And just so it stands out, I'll go with aqua. So we know it'll be different. So we'll save that. So as you can see, we've just got our body, squiggly brackets, and inside those squiggly brackets we've got our style attribute that we want to change, and the color that we want to change that to. Rightio. So if we go have a look at our web page, if we go have a look at the index, what we're referring to in our style sheet is this body tag here. And the body tag is everything that you see in the window. So when we apply this or link this style sheet to our index page, the background color should change. Okay. So because we build it into our template, we've already got the link to our style sheet here. The only thing it's missing is where the style sheet is. So we have to change the href value. Okay, so we'll highlight that. Bit of text, I think it says link to style sheet. And we will start off by going to our CSS folder and getting our test style CSS. Okay, we save that. Now if we go back and make sure we're on our home page and refresh, and the background color changes to aqua. Now if we navigate to our other pages, we'll see that they're all still white, and that's because we haven't linked this style sheet to the other pages. Okay, so to do that, I'll just copy this whole link and we will paste that link or replace the link tags on the other two pages with that style link. So page 1, and on page 2. There we go. File and save. And if we go have a look now, each one of our pages has the aqua colour. Now my neighbour's decided to use an angle grinder, so I'm going to leave this lesson here for now. And in the next lesson, we'll look at changing some of the styles on the style sheet.